What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, my hair looks a hot mess. So today we are going to be fixing that. This wig is from Simon Monroe Hair, and it was colored and originally installed by @SimonRoe on Instagram. I'll be sure to leave the links and her Instagram down below. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is a wet rag and some alcohol to remove the frontal from my head. I highly recommend wetting your rag before you put the alcohol so that it dilutes it a bit. Alcohol does eat out your hair. So if you're realizing that you're losing hair or you're losing your edges, it's probably because you're just using alcohol by itself. As you can see, I am being really gentle with removing the frontal. I do not want to pull on my edges, so I am rubbing where the glue is on the frontal, and I am just slowly removing it. As you can see, my wig cap decided to scoot itself to the back of my head, but it's okay, we'll fix that later on in the video. Here I have a tough spot of glue that is really stuck to my head, so I am just saturating it in a lot of water, and now I'm going to take my comb and gently, very gently combing the glue out. Please be careful while you're doing this because you will pop your edges out if you're not careful. As you can see here, my edges are completely intact, so just be careful if you get any glue stuck that you're taking your time to get it out your head. Now I'm using the same rag to remove the excess glue from the lace. This is very important so that old glue doesn't get mixed with new glue and then you got a bad combination. So just make sure you remove all of the glue off of the lace. Just take your time while doing this, and this gets very messy, so beware of that also. You guys are probably wondering why I didn't just take the whole wig off my head, but it's because the wig is sewn on to the back of my head just for security purposes. So I just left it on, and now I'm just taking off the rest of the bald cap because at this point it just needs to be reapplied. So now that I have all the glue removed, I'm using the got2b styling gel to slick my edges back before reapplying the bald cap. I'm using the blow dryer to lock in the gel and make sure that my edges will remain slicked down. You guys, please do not mind my missing nail. I know I look so ghetto, but by the time this video's out, my nails will be done. So here I am repositioning my wig cap, and usually this is pretty easy because it's already cut out to the shape of my hairline. But if you guys don't have your wig sewn on, you can just use a new wig cap and reapply it the same way that I'm going to be showing you in a few seconds. So to reapply my wig cap, I am going to be using the freeze spray and my blow dryer. Y'all, I don't understand why I had the blow dryer so hot. You can honestly just use cold air for this. I don't know why I use hot air, but that's just what I do. But now I'm just going to do the same thing for the rest of my head, and I'll be back when it's time to reapply the wig. Here I'm using my eyebrow razor to cut off any of the wig cap that does not look good. This prevents it from laying down flat, so I'm just taking off any of these bulky pieces. Now I'm using alcohol to clean any residue off of my skin so that the glue will stick down. Now we are ready to apply the wig. I'm clipping back the side of my hair that's in my face, and I'm using mousse to slick back any of the loose hairs, especially the baby hairs, so that they won't get caught in the glue. So now I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue to apply my wig, and I believe I'm using the moisture control one, so this helps with if you sweat a lot. I'm not sure how true that is. I don't sweat that much, but yeah. I'm also using a flat brush to spread the glue out evenly. This is important so that you don't get lumpy glue spots in your head and everything is just nice and smooth. I believe I did 3 layers, and I am also working in sections. I do the front first and then I do the 2 sides, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up for you. You also want to make sure that each of your layers are drying down clear before you apply a new one. Now I am placing down my frontal, and I'm not pushing it down all the way, I'm just placing it where I want it, and then I'm going to go back in with a comb to press down the lace. So now that my frontal is laid down, I am using some more mousse to slick back the hairs before I tie my hair down with my silk wrap. To get into the styling portion of this video, I am using my hot comb and I'm going to be slicking down those hairs. This step, it just makes everything nice and flat like we want it to be. Next, I am going to be using my Edge Booster wax stick, and you guys, this is a game changer. You guys are going to see why I like to use this. I don't know how it does what it does, but the wax, it just sleeks everything down. So this is what my hair is looking like after I laid it down for a few minutes, and now I'm going to start to work on my baby hairs. To mold my baby hairs down, I am using a mixture of mousse and freeze spray. I just find that this makes my edges stay a little bit more secure down. And yeah, this takes me a little bit of time to do, and I keep doing them over and over because I'm just a perfectionist and I like my baby hairs looking laid, period. I'm going to be using my Self Scarf again to lay down my baby hairs, and I'm going to quickly flat iron my hair using my ultra thin nano titanium flat iron. I also used it in my ponytail video. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you go watch it after this. I'll leave it in the cards and in the description box. So you guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, this wig is giving scalp vibes. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.